Hey my lovely ladies, welcome to my channel. So you'll find me sharing tips and tricks here on YouTube. Please do hit that subscribe button and let's get glowing. If you would like to see how I go from this to this, please keep watching. Hi guys, welcome back to another video from Nida Glam Co. You are joining me today to do some depotting of my powders. Now this is the powder tray that I put inside my main kit. You will have seen it if you see the pro kit video. That will be popped up here somewhere. Please don't mind the lack of audio, or grey audio anyway. I don't know what happened there when it was uploading, because it was actually pretty fine when it got to editing and everything, and I uploaded it on YouTube and it's gone all funny. Please don't mind the kids downstairs, because you will hear that. It might get picked up on the mic. But yeah, I go through all my powders there. I'm not going to do that today. I am just purely going to choose which ones I'm going to depot. I have got these little, I don't know how many grams they are. I'm not sure, I'll have to find out, but basically I've got these little powder pots which are purely for depotting usage anyway. There's also a whole video that these actually debuted in essentially. If you would like to see that, that will also be popped up below. These came from Amazon and they came as a set of 4, and they come with a little filter like that, just to sift through the powder. Just plain black. I will get label printer out, which is here. So I use this one. I got that from Amazon as well. Amazon is literally my best friend. So moving forward, I'm going to depot the following powders, because they just do not fit in my kit, and it's not something that I actually fancy carrying about, therefore it's not quick. I kind of thought of this a little bit late, but I do try to buy the smaller versions of powder pots before I purchase these, because to be honest, I do like the size. I like the fact that it's the brand, and you know, it gives that luxury element to my makeup kit. I do want my clients to see that the money that they are being charged is actually worth it. They're not getting the cheaper stuff. I mean, don't get me wrong, I do have, you know, not so luxury end products, but at the end of the day, what works works, and that's what I am proud of. But at the same time, you can see I've got stickers on there, because brides will pay a heavy price compared to someone who's just getting glammed up for an event they're attending. So obviously I want to make sure, unless they're paying that price, I want to make sure that these are exclusive in my kit, and I want to make sure that I get the right packaging for it. So I will try to look for the smaller versions of things first before doing this. But of course these I think will just be used on most clients anyway, and then once I buy the bigger version, so you can see this is like really well loved. This is the Givenchy powder in Rosé, the number 3, and of course we all know they changed the formula ain't great. However, I think they are, I've heard that they are taking that back off. You cannot go buy the new formula again. But yeah, this I think I'm going to keep in its original form because of the mixed powders. I do like having that. It's just another element to it, I guess. But there's the difference between the powders. I hope they really bring back the old formula again, because I will be buying it and I will be stocking up on it. Even though it's expensive, it's amazing. We all know the hype. But the difference between the two actually, so this is in number 5. You can see this is the new packaging. It's just a shiny plastic, whereas this, see, you pay so much money and that's cheaper than that. Do you know what I mean? So they need to just keep, I mean, if someone's willing to pay so much money for this, why would you change it? Don't understand. But hey ho, that's for another day. So those I won't be obviously depotting. I will want to depot these because there's a lot of product. It's massive to keep in my kit, and they do weigh a lot. So yeah, I've got the ultra pink and the rich peach from ONESIZE. Let's go. So I am gonna, I purchased this I think from Shein. It's just a little depotting kit. You can get right into foundation bottles and things and scoop out the products. So I'm just going to use that, to be honest. I think I'm going to go for this one here. I know, look at me with all this fancy ass stuff, but anyways, these are brand new. What I do love about the ONESIZE is that it's got a little lid just there protecting it, and then on top of that, when they're brand new, it also has, just tap that down, it also has a little sticker, oh hold on, which is a pain, but
years later.
Because powder will make a big mess, so I don't want to do that. Ooh. And then I'm going to depot into here. So I'm using the lid to catch any that fall out. It is so finely milled, it's crazy. I don't need a lot because again, it will get refilled as I go. Just tap that down, and this will save me a lot of space and a lot of I don't know if I want to keep it on, but for now, see practicality wise how I go with that. And then the lid just right on there, so now you can instantly see the difference between the sizes. Crazy. So I only need one, so I'm going to pop that straight back on there, gently, slowly and easy does it, and then that can go over here. That will get labelled, but I'm just going to pop it right here, out of the way. It's going to get cleaned with a makeup wipe, just so we're not mixing up. So we're not mixing up the colours. Now I'm going to go in for the ultra pink. Done. Again, it's going to be literally the same thing, just popping right in there. I've already depotted a Crayolan powder into one of my old pots here, because the Crayolan powder is like that big and I actually finished it. So this is the last of that. It's a very finely milled powder, very fine. It's translucent. It's a great powder. And then I will go ahead and do the Huda Beauty one. So okay, Huda Beauty is going to be a bit more difficult, I think, because it is so well used. Let's see if I can get this open. now. I'm gonna have to go for a spatula. Right, let's get a spatula out. The trusted spatula. Don't even think it wants to work as well. I don't want to make too much of a mess, so anyways, let's just go ahead and try a long way around. I don't want to ruin the pot, so I'm just gonna have to deal with what we've got. Unfortunately, if I just tap it out like that, hopefully it will just do the job. It's just going to take a bit longer than necessary. Close it and then give it a good shake. I know this is the long way around, guys, get that in, but it's probably one of the cleanest ways to do it without wasting too much product, because of course I'm gonna do this a few times. I will just forward it now, not forward it, but make it happen a bit faster. I am going to go ahead and take my 2 Revolution palettes and mix them, so we get a nice little happy medium for both. Okay, this one hasn't been opened yet, the translucent one, so let's just go ahead and do that. I do like the powders. They are, I know it's drugstore, but honestly it is one of the best drugstore powders that I have found. All I'm doing is just tapping in translucent, and then I'm going to go in with lace and mix that up. They're coming out pretty quick. It's a nice little mix there. Might just go in with a bit more lace, so it's not too pink, maybe a bit more translucent. Give that a good mix. Pop on the sifter, give it a good mix, and you can see it's a really nice. So you've got the very pink, and then you've got this like lacy pink. So I've got translucent, it's a mix of translucent and pink, like the lacy colour, then ultra pink and rich peach, and hopefully that should just time it out. Let's give these a clean. Don't mind, I've got the mic attached to me right now, so how I label them, I go on labelize, whatever, and I will then go on to my powder. I like that little thing because it's a compact powder. Right, so turn the machine on, wait for the light to come on, lights on, and I will then basically write down what it is. So I don't need to really know the full name, so I know HUDA B in pound cake, print The font, you can change the font, you can change the size, you can change the borders. Just for the video, I might as well just get that in. Right, I'm gonna delete that frame. I'm going to add another frame, and I want the flowers. Then you can see that this kind of comes in the way, so we're gonna just make that really, really small. But I can't see what I'm doing because it's so small, so I'm just gonna use the little arrows to get it right where I need. To be honest, I can get rid of that as well, so I think that's what I'll do actually. A line in the middle, print, print. There you go. Chuck that up. Leave it there for now. And there you have it. And I'll just get on and do the rest. Ultra pink. Now I'll see how I go within my kit. If I need to glue them, I will together like that, and then move the label on the side so I can just get right in there, just like a stackable situation. But for now, I'm going to leave them as it is. So those are my powders that I use like this. As you can see, it is such big difference already. So this is how it was in my kit, and now this is how it will be. Okay, so I'm just gonna let you watch me put all my powders back in here just for now until I can get a better order. I hope you enjoyed this video. I can't wait for the next video, and I can't wait to hear from you. Thank you for watching as always, and if you do have any tips and tricks that you would like to share, please do pop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear them. Please like, subscribe, and make sure you hit me a comment to let me know if you got any more advice. See you till the next one.